How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the back cover from a Dell Inspiron 5570. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, unscrew and slide out DVD optical drive. Then unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Next, disconnect display cable. Then unscrew and remove antenna cable bracket. Now disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove display assembly. Now use fingers to separate and remove display bezel. Now unscrew and turn over screen. Then disconnect and remove screen. Now unscrew and remove display hinges. Then disconnect and remove web camera. Now remove display cable. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.